I tell you, I wasn't planning on making a video today. I was going to take the day off, but no, Ryobi, not Ryobi. They won't let me do that every single day. Yesterday, they came out with new videos. You're a subscriber, you know that. They came out with new tools. They released new tools, and now they're coming out with another new tool announcement today. Not only that, we got a new Ridgid announcement. I'll put that towards the end of this video. But let's just start out with Ryobi. They have been absolutely on fire lately. I mean, absolutely on fire, just coming out with one thing after another. Now, they've had something like this, but they're upping the game, and I can already hear the comments. Let's just take a look at this real quick. This is the brand new 1800 watt portable battery power station from Ryobi, not Ryobi. Now let's go through some of the pictures first, and we'll talk about what this thing has to offer. I'll give you the specs, and we'll talk about one thing that I know a lot of people are going to be upset about and say that this thing is missing right off the bat. But you can see up here, you got the LED light. Up here, you're having that digital display. I guarantee this thing's going to have Bluetooth. We'll talk about that here. You got your different outlets down here. You got your USBs up here. You got your C ports up here. Let's keep on scrolling down here. Now, this is going to be extremely powerful, portable generator, basically what this is. It's a gasless generator. And the nice thing about this is going to be 100% safe to use in your house. Not gas generators. Gas generators are not safe to use in your house, and unfortunately, some people still don't know that to this day. But this here, yes, you can safely run this in your house for a power outage. And anybody knows that have been following this channel, you know that we had a power outage about 2 months ago, and it was really, really tough. And so I'm on this big generator kick right now, this big power supply kick right now. And this right here, you can stack two of these together and run them. Now, I think you can only stack two at the same time, but if you need that extra power, you need that extra long run time, charging devices, keeping your refrigerator going, your freezer going, whatever, during an outage, this might come in handy for you. Now, I know other people using the previous version of this, and they say they love these things. Now, it does not look like this is a 40 volt. This does not look like it's running off of any batteries. You're going to charge this thing up, and then it's going to discharge when you're using it. So you charge it up, and it's going to discharge. So no gas, and you don't have to have external batteries to use this. Basically, it has an internal battery. Now, it's an 1800 watt for portable battery power station. Well, I'll put a link in the description below. I believe this thing is available right now. I might even be able to add that little shopping cart icon, so if you wanted to purchase this, you can. It helps the channel. Ryobi introduces the all-new 18-watt portable battery power station to its lineup. Now, it's 3,000 starting watts and 1,800 running watts. So it's not it's not like you got like a giant gas generator out in the backyard pumping out power. This right here is, again, portable. If you're camping, you're fishing, you have a power outage, these are safe for your electronic devices, where sometimes, unless you have a gas generator inverter, they're not safe. If you just run a complete generator, just straight generator to your electronics, they might hurt those electronics. This is not going to do that. They are safe for your TVs. They are safe for charging your iPhones, your iPads, your Samsungs, whatever electronic you are using. So 1,800 running watts. This power station is the perfect cordless portable power station to keep devices powered on the job site. This is coming from Ryobi, not Ryobi. It's tailgate, camping, power goes out, just like we talked about, refrigerators, appliances, larger appliances such as TVs and refrigerators. So it does run your refrigerator. You shouldn't have any issues with that. All right, so the 1094 watt hour lithium battery, the internal, so it is internal, and I have not read this beforehand, I just assumed. An internal 1094 watt hour lithium battery, this portable power station is capable of powering a full-size refrigerator for up to 10 hours, which is impressive, or a 55-inch TV for up to 8 hours with zero emissions and the quiet convenience of cordless power. The unit is ideal for use either indoors or outside. So again, they are stating you can use this indoors or outside. Now, is it waterproof? I don't know. I'm sure there's some water protection, water resistance to it. The unit includes 3 120 volt AC outlets, 4 USB outlets, 2 USB-C outlets to power a variety of electronics and mobile devices. Featuring pass-through charging, the battery can be charged while powering other devices, which is great. If the power comes on for how long and you just need to hurry up and charge that thing up, but you don't want to let go of your refrigerator or your iPhone or whatever, you can power this up while you are charging your electronics. And you don't see that a lot on a lot of other brands. So the portable battery station can be monitored remotely via Bluetooth. So yes, you can use this Bluetooth. You can see how much power it has left. you know, how much charge it has left, probably the conditions, how hot it's running, all that good stuff. So let's talk about the specs again, and I'm going to tell you one downside that I think this might have. 3,000 starting watts and 1,800 running watts. 1094 watt hours of battery capacity. Power a variety of electronics, appliances such as full-size fridge, up to 10 hours on a 55-inch screen, up to 8 hours. Ideal for indoor use with zero emissions and quiet operation. These things are basically silent. You might hear a little fan, I'm sure, cooling this thing down, but you're not going to hear anything. Safe for sensitive electronics using pure sine wave technology. Pass-through charging allows for charging and discharging simultaneously. They always use those big words. Connect two inverters together with a parallel kit, and it's sold separately. That's the number right here. If I can find it, again, I'll leave a link in the description below. For twice the power output. Outlet types, 3 120 volt, 4 USB. We already talked about that. Bluetooth, LCD screen displays battery status, load level, and runtime remaining. External LED light with 4 modes. You got 3-year limited warranty, and includes the power station, 270 watt AC charger, a protective cover, and operator's manual. Now, maybe if you have a small RV, you're going to be able to power that. But when it comes to, you know, hooking up a transfer switch to the house and running this thing, you know, for your entire setup, I don't think it's going to have enough power. But I will tell you, the one thing that a lot of people are going to bring up in this comment section, let me know if I am wrong and if you feel the same way. Solar. There are other companies out there that, and I have one on the way that I'm going to bring to the channel that has not only you can plug these things in, charge them up, but solar panels. So if your electricity is completely out, you're going to be able to put the solar panels out and charge up that device. And I would think that Ryobi, not Ryobi, would have that technology to put that on these things by now. And a lot of people have been asking for that, and I'm just calling it out. I don't see anything with solar power on this thing, and I think that is one thing that they are really missing when it comes to these power stations, is that a lot of people want to see the solar. So I hope they make that happen, maybe on the next gen. We'll see. All right, so we got that. Let me know what you think about the Ryobi. Let's move it over to the Ridgid real quick. So Ridgid has been quiet, and, well, this week they're starting to appear again in the world of tools. So they just announced the new 18-volt subcompact brushless 3/8 inch right angle impact wrench. Now, we just did the impact driver to right angle. It's a pretty nice tool. You know, it was a little bit tough to open up to call it, you know, because I have the big grape fingers. But, you know, listen, at the end of the day, they're coming out with tools. And if you're in this brand, you want to see that. So this is the 18-volt subcompact brushless 4-mode 3/8 inch right angle impact wrench tool only. So you're looking at $199 on this, which is a little bit pricey if you ask me. And that's a tool only. You can be the judge of that. If you buy it, then you don't think the price is that bad. If you don't, maybe you think the price is a little high. Ridgid introduces the 18-volt subcompact brushless 3-mode right angle. This 18-volt subcompact 3/8 is 250 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. That's pretty real nice. Like, got the 3 speeds and auto tightening mode for ultimate user control during fastening and removing of applications. On the board, LED light provides the onboard LED light provides improved visibility when working in low light situations. So that's pretty real nice. Like, it's going to be a 3/8 inch. It's a right angle. Here are your specs. Again, lightweight design. It's more compact. Paired with the max output batteries for the maximum power. Powerful brushless motor delivers in-class power up to best-in-class power up to 250 foot-pounds breakaway torque. That's pretty legit. Auto tightening, auto stops when fastening to prevent over tightening. 3/8 inch anvil, LED light, compatible with Ridgid's protective boots. So you can buy the protective boots for these things. 100% compatible with all Ridgid 18-volt batteries. Limited lifetime service agreement within 90 days of purchase. So if you buy this thing, you sign up on the Ridgid LSA warranty site, you're going to be able to get the lifetime service agreement, which is pretty real nice. Like, now I do have a couple pictures for you right here. So let me go ahead and click on those. And listen, if you're a mechanic, you're probably liking this right now, especially if you're in the Ridgid setup. They need to come out with more tools, and they're starting to do that. So I'm happy to see that. Subcompact brushless, there's your boot right there. I'm just going to scroll through pictures. They talk about the max output. I still don't understand why they use these pictures with the regular batteries. Use it with the max output. It makes no sense to me. I'm just calling that out. You talk about the max output, put the max output on there. There's the boot right there, 3/8 inch. It looks like it's digital. So you got the mode selector right there. It's pretty real nice like. Getting those tighter areas. And yeah, I want to know what you think. Leave me a comment in that sweet comment section below. I think this is available. I'll also tag this in the description below for you to check it out. But share this with your friends. Let them know these things are out here. And it helps the video. Also, if you can smeesh this, if you want to continue seeing new tool releases and me bringing them to you, it helps if you smeesh that like button. It really does help. Also, I got a couple more videos for you right there that you might have missed if you're not a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, it'd be real nice like to have you as a subscriber. Back more videos soon.